Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy a v0-generated app to Vercel with just one click. We'll be using 3 powerful and free tools: Vercel for hosting, Supabase for your database, and v0 to generate the app using AI. To get started, write a simple description of what you want your app to do in plain English. This will act as your prompt. Next, sign up for v0, paste your idea, and click Generate. Within moments, v0 will create your app's interface, including pages, buttons, layouts, and even the backend. After that, connect your app to Supabase. Set up a free project, then run the provided SQL scripts to create tables like users, messages, and profiles. If something doesn't look right, you can ask the AI to adjust or fix specific parts of the app. Once everything is ready, hit the Publish button. You can also link a custom domain if you want. Your app will be live and accessible online instantly. In the end, you'll have a sleek, responsive application where users can register, log in, chat in real time, and manage their profiles, all powered by Supabase, with an admin dashboard to monitor activity. And the best part? It's all built in minutes using AI. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content.